Good afternoon. Myself A.K. Tiwari, TGT Mathematics from JNV Murshidabad. So students, today I will prove and find the relationship between the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. This is the theorem 6.6, chapter 6, class 10, triangle for CBSE board. Here the theorem is the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. It is given that suppose that two triangles ABC and PQR are given, and we have to find the area of ratio of their area. Thus we have to prove area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equal to their corresponding sides, ratio of their corresponding sides and their squares. For this, if we want to find the area of this triangle ABC, how we find? We know the formula half into base into height. That means base is here, we take BC and we construct a perpendicular from the opposite vertex, that is A. Here AM is the perpendicular on BC. Similarly, PN is the perpendicular on QR. This is the construction part of this theorem. Then we are going to prove. So area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. Base is here BC. So it will become 1 by 2 into BC into AM. Here AM is the corresponding height. Similarly, for triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR equal to half into base into height. That is QR, half into QR into PN. Here PN is the corresponding height and base is the QR. This relation, area of triangle ABC represented by 1 and area of PQR represented by 2. Now we find the ratio area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, that is 1 by 2 into BC into AM and 1 by 2 into QR into PN. 1 by 2 is cancel out. Finally we get BC into AM by QR into PN. Suppose this is another relation, that is Q. Now let us see here. This triangle ABM and PQN, we want to show that these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, are similar. Why they are similar? By double A criteria. Here angle B equal to angle Q and angle M equal to angle N. Thus triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by double A similarity. And if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. And from the relation A, area of triangle ABC by area of PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PN, because AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. So area of triangle ABC equal to BC by QR into AB by PQ from the relation B. We put AB by PQ in the place of AM by PN from this relation, and thus we already get the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and their corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Putting in equation C, we get area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ into AB by PQ, because from here BC by QR is also equal to AB by PQ. तो ये हो गया AB by PQ whole square. But this AB by PQ is also equal to BC by QR and AC by PR. So we find finally the relationship between the area of the two similar triangles, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to AC by PR whole square. Thank you.